Friends, and welcome back to my channel. So if you are interested in this look that I did, it will be up probably before this video goes up, so you can see how I did this and why I did this. So Sharon here on YouTube, she goes by Simply Sharon on her channel. I will leave her link down below. She did a FabFit video, fun box video, and she said that if she had 3 free coupon codes for starter box to get like a starter box, and then you just pay the shipping, which was $5, and it would be free, and then you can decide if you want to continue the FabFit box or not. And so I emailed her, and it was way later than when she posted the video, and I thought, oh, let me just email her just in case, you know, they may be all gone. But what ended up happening is she had one, so I'm super thankful. Thank you so much, Sharon, for it. I appreciate it. So I got the box, and we're just going to go into it and just see what items they gave me for the initial, you know, signing up. Now, it is a subscription box. I believe, I want to say it's $49 a month. Not a month. Every so many months. I think it's like a seasonal from us. We're bringing you the best of the box. So we're excited for you to experience the starter box. It's a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFit Fun member. Enjoy some of our top-rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. So it does have on here what I got in the box, the prices, and the information on that. And then it also has like a cute little magazine in here as well. It just has, you know, just like a beauty magazine or with the different information, products, things like that. So that's cute. I like to get things like that. All right, let's go ahead and open the box. It has a lot of those little like frillies, you know, which I will save for giveaways and things like that. The first thing I see is the Nice Sink London Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Masks. They look like this. They're very cute. It says here, Incredible Nails Ink Thirsty Hand Mask Duo. These gloves feature a blend of plant extracts, shea butter, vitamin E to instantly smooth and rejuvenate dry hands, and they retail for $16. That's nice, especially right now with the weather. My hands are super dry all the time. So that is nice. The next thing that I see here is from Adore. Looks like a necklace, I believe, or bracelet. Okay, so it says Adore by Svorski Organic Circle Bracelet. The bracelet features an irregular circle design, a rose gold plated chain, and a shining Svorski crystal, and retails for $39. Has one little crystal in there. I don't know if you could see that amongst all the rest. That's really cute. I really like to get jewelry, so I'm excited about that. If I didn't tell you, it retails for $39. The next thing I see in here is the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. I believe this is probably a moisturizer. Yes. And I've always wanted to try this, so I'm super excited. I just never got to buying it. I have tried their eye cream, and I really love it. So this is a Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. The packaging is very cute. Leave your skin soothed and refreshed with electro-packed hydration. That is what it looks like. Very, very cute packaging. And it retails for $39, which is pretty pricey. Definitely has a gel-like consistency, you could see there. I do like these kind of moisturizers. I feel like they're great for the daytime because they're not too heavy, but they're moisturizing. I have dry skin, so this will be really nice to try. I will put this in my skincare for when I finish up another one. I don't want to start that one as of yet. But super excited to try that. Tarte is one of my favorite brands, and I do also like their skincare. I have tried their under eye cream and their other moisturizer, so I'm excited to try that. The last thing I see in the box is from Drybar. It is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. It looks like that. It is a full size. Now, let me just start by saying I know the brand Dry Bar because when I worked at Ulta, I love their products. I featured one of their products in a previous video that I filmed for you guys, which will probably go up before this video, maybe. Yeah, so it's their Hot Toddy. I love that product. I used it when I curled my hair 2 days ago, and this is the same curl. I brushed it out and everything, and it's still in. I have not had to curl it or anything, so I love that product. It's very pricey, but I love it, so I'm excited about this one. It says here it's a lightweight detangler, uses biotin, vitamin B and C, and sea berry oil to soften and condition and protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees, and it costs $23. So excited to try that for sure. I love their products. They're really good. So yeah, so my box retailed for $117 and I paid $5 for it. So I think that was a pretty good box, if I say so myself. Lots of frillies, which is nice because I can definitely save this box as well for a future giveaway to mail products in. I love to reuse boxes. I save all my BoxyCharm boxes and I do reuse them. Just a good way to not, you know, waste or anything like that, in my opinion. So this is going to go in my garage. But yeah, guys, that's everything I got in that FabFitFun. I keep saying bun. FabFitFun trial starter box, not bun. But yeah, that's everything that I got in the box. Again, thank you, Sharon, so much for that. I'm so thankful that you were able to share that with me. I am going to be considering getting that box for sure. I have seen a lot of unboxings, and I do like the stuff that they do get. Just have to see if it'll fit in my budget at the moment. Yeah, so that is everything that I got. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely, if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And let me know if you guys have this box, if you think that I should give it a try, and if you recommend the box. Really appreciate that. Leave that down in the comments below. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly come on here, share that with you guys. I'm excited about the items for $5 that I paid with a retail of $117. You can't beat that. And if I do decide to sign up and I get any referral codes or anything like that for you guys or starter boxes, I will definitely let you guys know as well. So that is going to end this video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.